Suppose you have actual percentage and you want to create a nice progress chart. The first thing, I will click anywhere and we need to create two helper cell. For the first cell, I will simply type actual, and for the second cell, I will simply type remaining. And I will apply a very easy formula. Simply type equal and select the actual percent, hit enter. For the remaining, simply type equal 1 minus and simply select actual percent and hit enter. Now our calculation are ready. The first thing, I will select this data sheet, click on insert. We need to insert a donut pie chart. The next thing, I will click on this plus button and simply off the chart title and legend as well. Now click plus button again, click on select data and we need to insert another series. Click add button and for the series name simply type outer and the series value will be the same. Now simply hit OK and hit OK. The next thing, I will click any of the series, right click, format data series. We need to decrease the donut hole size. In this case, I will type 60% and hit enter. The next thing, I will click on insert. We need to insert 32 point star. So I will click on 32 point star, click here and it will create 32 point star. The next thing, I will increase the height and width. I will click on the very right side and simply type 10 by 10. The next thing, I will adjust this star a little bit. So I will use this yellow points and decrease the width of the teeth. Now click on shape fill and we need to assign this nice blue color. For the shape outline, I will assign the same color. Now hit Ctrl C, click outer series only and hit Ctrl V. Now I will simply delete this shape. You can see a white line here. Click on outer series only, click on format. For the shape outline, simply choose no outline. The next thing, we need to change the color of these charts so that we can easily understand. So this is 57%. I will click on this series and click again and it will only select my actual series. Click on format. For the shape fill, I will select the same blue color and for the shape outline, I will choose no outline. Now click on this orange series and click again and it will only select the orange series. For the shape fill, in this case, I will choose this light blue color and for the shape outline, I will choose no outline. The only thing, we need to show actual percentage inside my chart. I will click on insert and we need to insert a text box. I will click anywhere. Now click on formula bar, type equal and select the actual percent and hit enter. Now I will increase the font size and now adjust this on a center align. I think better if we choose the same blue color for the font as well. Now click on your chart, format and of the shape outline as well as of the shape fill color. If I change the percentage, for example, 40%, each and everything is dynamically updating. I hope you like this video and learned something useful. If anything else, just let me know. Thank you so much.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.